Hey guys, it's Digital Nomad here, and I want to show you how to create this beautiful golden window light effect in Photoshop. It literally takes 60 seconds to do so. Make sure you watch till the end. If you find this video useful, please like the video and smash that subscribe button. It'll really make the effort worth it. First, we need to create our own brush, so we can essentially paint on the window lighting. So grab the rectangle tool and create a rectangle in the top left like this. Once you've done that, press Ctrl or Command and J together to duplicate the layer. You need to do this twice to make the first column. Then select all 3 rectangles and duplicate them twice so you have 3 columns of black rectangles. You can see it looks like the glass of a large window, and our golden light's going to shine through. Now, you want to select all your shape layers and convert them to a smart object. We want to make the window light look as realistic as possible. And in reality, when you see the light from a window reflecting on an object or a wall, it looks a little distorted. So we're going to hit Edit, Transform, and then Distort. Grab this point and gently slide it up till your window's at an angle. Once you've done that, go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. This will create a sort of feathered look to the light coming through the window. I'm going to set mine to 12, but you can play around with it. Now hit Edit, and then define Brush Preset. Name it anything you want. I'm going to name mine Window Light Brush. So that's our window light brush done. Now pop over to your main composition. Right now the mood of the image is looking a little cold and not too much fun. I want to give it a warmer, kind of golden look to it, to give the image a more chilled, relaxed vibe. So to do this, let's go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. The only thing you want to change here is the temperature setting. Move the slider until the image has a kind of golden, warm glow to it, depending on how cold or warm your image is to start with. You might want to play around with the setting, but I'm happy with where mine's at. Now we're on to the last step. Your brush will already be selected, so now you want to change the blending mode to overlay and opacity to 70 while the flow is at 100. Position your brush to where you want it. I want one of the windows to cover half of my model's face. And then just a single click and it's like magic. Here's the before and after. If you got this far, I love you. Thanks for supporting. And please smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video.